BARWING Portable Home Gym Full Body Workouts Equipment Resistance Workout Set for Home, Office, or Outdoor with resistance bands and fitness board push-up handle. Simulate exercise. Simulate any exercise you would do at the gym. Exercise shoulders, waist, hips, arms, thighs, and wrists with the home gym to create a perfect body. Push-up handles. The home gym board has multiple position slots that can be used with the handle to do push-up and exercise muscles in different parts of the body. Portable home gym. You do not have to go to gym every time. Take your portable home gym anywhere you want and work out. Adopt folding design. You can put it in any corner in your home. Resistance bands. Comes with 4 resistance bands. You can adjust exercise intensity yourself. Provide a healthy and safe alternative to heavy weights. Customer service. 365 days warranty. 24-hour technical support for quality problems. We aim to offer satisfactory service to every customer around the world. Please contact us if any issue arises. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.